going to go ahead and show you how to join the arms to the body without any sewing. We're only going to do it with crochet methods. If you followed along with the body pattern and you're at the round where we're going to be joining the arms, you're going to go ahead and first fold the body flat in half. So you have the front and the back on opposite halves. And you're going to line the arm up to the very side of the body and make sure that it's going to take up about 3 stitches to the very side of the body, and figure out where that is going to fall on your doll's body. So I can see that in 1, 2, after 2 stitches, I'm gonna put the arm to the side and I'm going to delegate these 3 stitches on the side for the arm. So what I'm going to do is now single crochet to get to that part of the arm. So I'm going to single crochet 2 times first, 1 and 2. And in the next stitch, instead of going in for a regular single crochet, I'm going to go ahead and insert my hook into these stitches here for the arm and put it into the next stitch, single crochet here in the body. So as you can see with my hook, I've kind of combined both the arm and the body together. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish with a single crochet, insert my hook into the next stitch of the arm and into the next stitch of the body, do a single crochet, and then insert my hook into the next stitch of the arm and the next stitch of the body, into a single crochet, like so. And now that I've done that, you'll see that the arm is attached to the side of the body, and I'm going to go ahead and single crochet across until I reach the next stitch where I'm going to put in the next arm. So here I'm going to single crochet around, and let me pause here for a moment. I'm now at the other side of the body, and I'd want to start attaching the arms so that it matches up with the other one. So that means taking my other arm and I like to weave in my, pull in my yarn tails first so that it doesn't get confusing or in the way. This way when I pull it in, the top of the arm is nice and neat and easy for me to see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert my hook into the next, into one of the stitches in the arm, and into one of the stitches in the body, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull through for a single crochet. And again, do that 2 more times. It's gonna take 3 stitches for you to stitch the arm to your body. And after you finish that, you're just going to continue single crocheting. Oops. The rest of the stitches. Okay. That's that for joining the arms to the body using crochet methods only. As you can see, I did not have to do any sewing. It was all done through crocheting. Basically just attached it while crocheting that final round of the body. All right, hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Happy crocheting!